Hello everyone, welcome to another CJ dropshipping tutorial video. Well, today it's not really a tutorial video, but we're going to review CJ dropshipping platform and is it worth it for dropshipping in 2023. Now, as you know, CJ dropshipping is basically platform just like AliExpress, just like Alibaba, just like eBay, where you can go and source products for your dropshipping store. Now, you have a bunch of different products. And when I compare CJ Dropshipping to Alibaba, I think CJ Dropshipping has a lot more to offer. As you can see here on the right side, you have shipping methods, right? What you can also do is you can also calculate your shipping, so it makes it easier for you to ship those products. Also, CJ Dropshipping has a trending products tab where you can see all the trending products currently on the market that are selling, right? Now you can see a lot of different things right here, and as you can see on the side, new products, video products, CJ super deals, hot selling categories, and a lot of different products right here. Now I also wanted to show you some of the pros of CJ dropshipping because I've been using it for some time and it's been a really great platform. So as you can see right here, CJ dropshipping has free application without order limits. As you can see, WooCommerce and Shopify work well with the CJ Dropshipping app, and CJ Dropshipping has been included in the Shopify App Store as of January 2020. So almost 3 years right now, right? Now you can download it and install. It's really customizable, right? And it works with a lot of stores. Now it has affordable prices, right? There's not much difference between prices that are found on AliExpress or CJ dropshipping site, but you can negotiate the prices, which is awesome. They also have quick shipping. Right here you can see the shipping. We have 3 to 7 days for DHL official shipping, and obviously the shipping days varies. If you click here, let's say we want to ship from Germany to for example somewhere, right? There's no real data right now, but let's say we want to ship from China to, I don't know, San Marino or Liberia. Like we can see here the delivery time for each of those countries, which is awesome, right? Now they also have fast processing times. One significant issue of dropshipping from AliExpress is that AliExpress sellers are often dropshipping themselves. So when a consumer places an order, they will order the item from a supplier. In this case, you're basically sourcing your products from someone that is not dropshipping, from a real warehouse, right? Which is awesome. Now you also have better quality control, right? CJ Dropshipping uses quality control to review the condition of each item before it ships. This is really crucial. If you want to get the most out of CJ Dropshipping and dropshipping as a business model, right? So this is done to ensure that clients aren't receiving inferior or broken merchandise, which is really, really good. Now, obviously they have a large inventory. CJ Dropshipping has a large inventory of items, a lot of different items, right? What's also good about CJ Dropshipping is that you have a really good support. AliExpress does not have a good support like CJ Dropshipping. So you can click on this robot right here and you will be able to chat with them one-on-one. As you can see, this is AI customer support, but you can also chat with real people as well on WhatsApp and Messenger. They have a lot of options, so you will not be lost on CJ Dropshipping. Now, second thing is you have products with videos, right? CJ Dropshipping also provides videos for different items. They're created in their production studio. Facebook advertisers and other companies can use these videos for free. This is a game changer if you ask me. Really great for those of you who want to dropshipping. Now, items are sourced for you, right? They will source any item that you ask them to. Just give them the product URL. You begin with 5 sourcing requests per day, right? Now, we also have custom packaging option, so that when you're dropshipping, right, it's not looking like you're dropshipping. This is very, very crucial. Not a lot of platforms have that. I don't think AliExpress has that as well. So CJ Dropshipping has that. Now you also have an agent which you can talk to, right? You'll be given your own agent after you start selling. Your primary contact point will be the agent that is assigned to you. Usually you will be in contact with them via Skype, right? They also have print on demand features, support via chat, as I said, warehouses in different locations, Thailand, USA, China, and connections with a lot of products. Also orders that are automatically synchronization, right? Really great. And also inventory monitoring and tracking, manual orders, staff accounts, product reviews, and a lot of different things, guys. Now, CJ Dropshipping, when compared to other dropshipping sites, I think it's one of the top, I would say top two even. CJ Dropshipping is great for e-commerce websites, for dropshipping primarily, right? But also for e-commerce websites, right? And it has a lot of different things and a lot of different offers that has been offered to you as a customer or as a seller on CJ Dropshipping. So is it worth it for dropshipping in 2023? I would say yes. Comment down below, what do you think? Is CJ Dropshipping worth it for dropshipping in 2023? I think it is. It's a great platform. It has a good support. It has a lot to offer. You can calculate the shipping. You can connect to a lot of stores. It's automated and it just has a lot to offer. So yeah, guys, I hope this video helped you out, and thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next upcoming video.